Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 3. Question number 3.1. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? First we'll solve question number 3a. 3a is, here you see, this is 3. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, for any integer a, what is minus 1? What is minus 1 into a? First multiply 1 with a, that we are getting a, and here it is plus into minus, that is minus a, right? Now question number 2. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. Let us find this by this method, like dash into minus 1 is equal to minus 22. And what is the value here, right? In question number 2a, this is question number 2a. Dash into minus 1 is equal to minus 22. That means if we write here 22, what we are getting? 22. That is 22 into 1 is 22 and plus into minus is minus 22, right? Therefore, the answer will be 22, right? If we multiply 22 with minus 1, it is getting minus 22. This is question number A. Question B is, suppose the integer is dash into minus 1 is equal to 37. 37. That means if we write here 37, the sign is plus, therefore we have to write minus 37. Now multiply 37 with 1, that is 37, and minus into minus plus, therefore answer is minus 37, right? In case of B. In case C, what you will find? Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 0. This dash into minus 1 comes to 0, right? We know that for any integer, if we multiply that integer with 0, it comes to 0. The answer is 0. The result is 0. Therefore, minus 1 into 0, that comes to 0, right? This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 1.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.